Greetings of the day viewers. Let's start today's topic, data communication and network. Let's see the topics we will cover under this section. Starting with network structure and architecture. Second, OSI reference model. Third, network standardization. Now, what is a computer network? Computers have made spectacular progress in a short time. The concept of computer center as a room with a large computer to which users bring their work for processing is now totally obsolete. The old model of a single computer serving all the organization's computational needs has been replaced by one in which a large number of separate but interconnected computers do the job. These systems are called computer networks. Network topology is the study of the arrangement or mapping in the elements of a network interconnection between the nodes. Now moving to the next topic, that is computer network structure. First, bus topology. In this structure or topology, a single network cable runs in the building or campus and all nodes are linked along with communication line with two endpoints called bus or backbone. Now, second, star topology. Star topology uses a central hub through which all components are connected. In a star topology, the central hub is the host computer and at the end of each connection is a terminal. Now, ring topology. In this topology, the network cable passes from one node to another until all nodes are connected in the form of a loop or ring. There is a direct point-to-point link between two neighboring nodes, the next and the previous. Mesh topology. Devices are connected with many redundant interconnections between network nodes. In a well-connected topology, every node has a connection to every other node in the network. Tree topology. The most common structure or topology known as a tree topology. Tree topology is a land topology in which only one route exists between any two nodes on the network. Computer network and architecture. Computer network architecture is defined as the physical and logical design of the software, hardware, protocols, and media of the transmission of data. The two types of network architecture are used: peer-to-peer network and client-server network. Peer-to-peer network is a network in which all the computers are linked together with equal privilege and responsibilities for processing the data, while client-server network is network model designed for end users called clients. Now moving to the next topic, that is OSI Reference Model. This model is based on the proposal developed by the international standard organizations. OSI model has 7 layers. First, physical layer. It transmits raw bit stream over the physical medium. Second, data link layer, which defines the format of data on the network. Third, that is network layer, which decides which physical path the data will take. Fourth, transport layer, which transmits data using transmissions protocol, including TCP and UDP. Fifth, session layer, in which it maintains connections and is responsible for controlling ports and sessions. Sixth, presentation layer, which ensures that data is in usable format and is where data encryption occurs. And seventh, application layer, and the most important, which is human-computer interaction layer, where applications can access the network services. Now, moving to the last topic, that is network standardization. Many network vendors and suppliers exist, each with its own idea of how things should be done. Without coordination, there would be complete chaos and users would get nothing done. Now, standard falls into two categories, that is de facto and de jure. De facto, a Latin word which means from the fact. Standards are those that have just happened without any formal plan. Second, de jure. a Latin word which means by law. Standard, in contrast, are formal, legal standards adopted by some authorized standardization body.